I'm your neighborhood farmer. We work long hours in hot weather. We do our best to bring fine quality products to you at your home. Amongst that, at 10 Computer Repair, we're also your neighbor in the downtown Owasso. And we have a lovely crop this year. We have a wonderful crop. Look at just what we've got in. We've got all-in-ones. We've got plenty of laptop computers, i3s, i5s, various machines that everybody loves. Good for getting ready to school, good for doing a little bit of internet work, such as the social medias and things along like that. Well, we've got a nice one here. This one's just right now. Beautiful machines, reasonable prices, and contact us about e-waste recycling should you have to do that too. Responsible disposal is very important for our earth. Come see us, 10 Computer Repair and More, 989-721-7697.